really on theme.
Anyways, and stop. Ready, go.
It's for the
Hey guys, so why do you always laugh when I do that?
It's funny because.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Everything. Hi guys, so welcome back. Today I have an exciting video for you. I'm joined with two people. So it's a little bit different, as you guys can see. Also, we're in a new location. Welcome to our living room. So today we are going to film a video that I literally saw this morning. It's from Grace Helbig, and she, with May Marie Hart and Hannah Hart, filmed a video called Fart Soundboard Challenge. It's a #2, so they apparently have done a first one. I didn't see the first one. I watched this morning. I think farts are one of the funniest things in the entire world. So this is a game that we're going to be playing, made up of 3 rounds. The first round will be them trying to guess the name of a fart. This website, Fart Soundboard, has really funny names for these farts. So the first round, they will guess what the name is called, or the fart is called based on the sound. Second round, they are going to, yeah, it's called Who Farted, so like they're gonna guess.
Who farted?
Who farted?
Who farted?
Going to be, they will kind of describe the person that they think would be doing that fart. And then the third round is just plain, try not to laugh at the fart. Don't look at the
I'm not
thing.
gonna look.
Don't look.
It's gonna be hard.
So it's gonna be Patrick against Julia. Round 1 is name that fart. I will play a fart. You guys have to think of the name that they thought it would be. Let's start out with
I feel like you need papers.
this one. Ready? And
guys. Oh. Wait.
okay, that mind you was 22 seconds.
Really?
Okay. I love farts so much.
Okay, so we're supposed to write down.
What you think that fart is named or called. Oh my god, this is the best idea I've ever had in my entire life. Oh my god, I love this.
Alright, I have mine.
Okay.
I started writing before.
Start with Julia. What do you think that fart was called?
Okay, I have to read it. My
Don't have it.
one. Okay, I named it That Poor Kid That Held It In for That 4-hour lecture after 2 cups of coffee. Oh, we've all been there. I've never farted for that long, but I felt like I've had to fart for that long.
I think I farted for about half of that. I've texted
Genuinely?
Julia. I really think I've had a 15-second fart one time.
And I didn't believe it.
But I'm like, it's not one Mississippi, but like it was a gnarly
The
situation
Mississippi.
with.
I go, how many Mississippis? That's exactly how I asked her how long.
But like it was so bad.
So that poor kid that held it in for that 4-hour lecture.
What's going on?
Probably an ad. Muted.
And Patrick?
Mine was the limo fart because it's so long.
The actual name of that fart was The Long and Winded Road. You know? You have a long and winded road. Alright, next fart.
Let's go.
Is this one.
I'm ready for it.
And
I even grunted
Julia,
for that.
Why is it playing? Why is it playing? Why is it playing? Oh, was that it? Was that the total thing?
stop. Hold on. Let me do it one more time.
Oh. I know what I call it. I have a name for it. My name is probably not gonna wait because it's not a creative, but like.
One more.
All right, and.
I knew it's so good.
Okay, Julia, go.
I need mine sharp as Cause everybody knows that sharp part
that like hits your asshole like a
it's like
knife.
feels like a knife.
It's like kind of hot.
No, the hot ones like linger.
It like feels like it's, you know, like every butthole has like the little lines. It feels like it feels like a paper cut in every single line of your asshole.
Okay, Pat.
Sharp AF. Oh my god, I'm crying.
I labeled mine the hopscotch fart. Like that bound down the.
I'm gonna throw the
Bound down the thing like.
Literally, I feel nauseous. Why are you killing it every time? I'm already
Yo, Ju, the lines got me for a second, but hopscotch.
Do you see it? Like someone does like
Like
the
bump
hop
it,
and they're just like.
but it's like
oh.
I'm actually
it's
crying.
like the leg, like you go one leg, two. It's like
What's it called?
it's called
God.
Jurassic Fart.
Honestly, our names are way better than that.
I want to call it the hot.
Yeah.
Can you submit a rename just like
Okay,
you did on Wikipedia?
next one. Don't look. Are you ready? This
Yeah.
is the third one.
The third
We're
of
gonna drink-
round one, the last of round
Yeah,
one.
last of round one.
Oh my God, I
the
can't
last
breathe.
fart you think it's called. Here it is.
Oh.
One more time while I write
Oh, I don't.
Oh my god.
It's not good, but it's exactly what I think when I hear it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Julia, what do you think this
Wait,
fart
do
is called?
Patrick's first, because
Okay.
his is gonna be better. And
Pat, what do you think yours is
I don't
called?
wanna have to.
Mine is called the spread and lean. Like in class, you gotta like spread it, and you're just kind of like, oh, that made noise. You know, like you kind of
Spread and lean.
like lean on one butt cheek to like loosen up your.
Honestly, okay, mine is called the IDK question mark.
Wait.
It's a question.
Like, did I
Should I
you know, wait.
I just want it to be a question mark.
Question mark.
I changed it.
Julia wins that round. That's good. It's really called Puff Daddy.
Honestly, these are shitty as
That was a
These
shit
names
name.
are not good.
Okay, the next round of farts is I will say the name and tell you guys, obviously show you the
And then we
fart.
have to say.
And you have to describe the person that you think would do this fart.
Oh
Okay.
man.
Okay, all right, let's go with the violinist.
Get on. Oh, I don't like this one either. I can't think of anybody good.
Think of who would do this fart. This is the fart. Patrick, who do you think that is?
I think that's Jim Carrey giving a press conference.
I think it's just Michael Cera. Because he's like super awkward and kind of insecure. And it's like, do I want to fart? And it like goes higher pitch, you know? It's like uncomfortable.
I think
It's like an awkward fart.
it's Michael Cera.
And
I
Michael
like that
Cera
one.
is just an awkward person.
Oh, James Brown stains.
Ugh.
Ooh, sounds like a dirty porno.
Here we go.
Oh my god. That's like sharp and wet.
I will tell you who this is right now.
Your dad? I was genuinely thinking John Murray. I was gonna make John Murray. I've never met John Murray, and that's a John Murray fart.
Literally nailed that so much. I'm
Sharp
thinking
and
my
wet.
dad.
Like certain,
That's John
but also
Murray.
like just wet.
No,
Oh,
that is a f***ing sure fart. Like, you know that's happening. You're sure of it. You're
pushing
confident
it out,
in
but
it.
it's also
You're
wet.
correct. My
Well,
water.
Mr. Murray, if you do happen to see this, I would like to be very clear. I'm not the one who thinks that was your fart slash.
I think you would own it.
appreciate that.
I think you would own it.
That's a Jack Black shard.
Oh,
Ooh.
Jack Black is. I feel like
They're
Jack Black
basically
and
the
John
same.
Marie is the same person.
Correct.
Which is a compliment. I know it doesn't probably seem like it.
Yeah, go ahead.
You should probably do a different one. Because, like, we already have the 2 perfect people for that one. That was a John Marie and that was
Okay,
Jack Black.
so great. We're gonna move on. And this one's called Donut Cream Filler.
Ew.
Ugh. Like me in the shower.
Ah.
I said it's the priest in the tabernacle after the opening readings when getting the Eucharist. When the priest goes to get like the communion, like they go in the room behind the altar, but it's like
We're at
still visible,
20 minutes.
but like they're far away, so they can like just go
Oh,
in there and like
that.
let one loose after the opening readings.
Got it. Go.
I drew a fiery shit, but my answer is Chris Farley, R.I.P.
That was a Chris Farley fart.
He
It
gets
was
it.
wet and sure of itself.
Okay. All right. Next one's called Out of Gas.
LOL.
Oh my god, that's literally like 4 shots. 400. It's so sharp. I feel like sharp farts are a result of like a pretty like good diet.
I agree.
So this is a woman.
This sounds so terrible, but like, we haven't said any females yet.
I know what this one is.
Who?
It's when you fart in your skinny jeans. Like, you know how it like vibrates?
Okay, Patrick, you go. Go.
I said Ben Stiller. I feel like he would do that in like a very, you know, socially uncomfortable situation.
Oh. Okay.
I said Angela from The Office, aka the tight ass. Like the stickler.
I don't even know that show that very
You
well.
know her though. You know
Yeah.
Angela, the f***ing petite ass bitch.
You got it.
The tight ass.
But like I win if I was playing.
By default, it's Tess. And final round.
I don't think we need paper and pen for this, do we?
I guess not really.
No.
No.
Okay. So the last and final round. Well, I feel like this is lame because you guys probably won't laugh. It's try not to laugh.
Well, you gotta pick the right ones.
I don't know if they sound like though.
Yeah, that's true, but
The last 4 have pretty good names, I think. So this is just try not to laugh. This one is called Ready, Set, Blow.
Ew.
sounds sexual. I'm not laughing. No.
That is.
Ash laughing?
The visual I have.
Honestly, I've had better parts than that made me laugh.
Alright, Ready, Set, Blow. So Julia wins. Next is called The Rocking Chair.
Dude, I'm like 12. She's gonna win every
I'm
time.
gonna win all of them. Start it over because I was like already laughing. No.
The Rocking Chair.
It sounds like a rocking chair, but I'm not gonna laugh because it's not worth my laugh.
I
You're
get
annoying.
it though.
Okay, next is
The point is try not to laugh. Don't get mad at me for not laughing.
Slow Mo Blow.
Ooh. That's funny. Patrick's so dying right now. Oh my god. Could you imagine if you farted for that long? I honestly kind of feel sad.
Seconds. And last but not least, Toadstool.
What is it? What is it?
Toadstool.
Oh, it's like, it sounds like a toad farting.
That's
Or
in
pooping.
like Spanx, cause that shit is kept in there.
Oh.
This is like Shrek.
It does sound like Shrek, like when he's in the swamp and the bubbles up. Oh my god. I think I won that round though, because I didn't laugh.
Oh, it gets so deep. It's like. Ew.
Alright, I think Julia won that round.
Yeah.
But we'll say the final winner. Pose if you won, Pat. Pose if you won, Ju. I won't never know until editing. Thanks, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what fart you thought was the funniest. And check out these guys.
Also,
in another video coming
also,
soon.
subscribe to my channel.
Are you serious? I just said check these 2 out.
I don't care. I just wanted to give my own plug.
I
It's all
hate
about the
you.
plug.
Oh my god.
Retweet.
Anyways,
like to with Carrie. I don't know why I keep touching my hair.
Thanks.
On my finger.
5